Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to calculate BMI in Python. So first, the formula to find out BMI is weight, is height over weight. Let me see what's the formula. It will be weight over height. Okay, so weight over height square. So this is the formula to find out BMI. And now I'm going to implement this formula in Python. So first I'm going to make a variable with the name height and giving this variable a value which is 1.79. Second step is to create a variable with name weight and then assign a value 68.7 kg. Now we are going to uh, use the formula by making a variable first. BMI equals to, the formula is weight divided by height square. So how you can do exponential in Python is by typing static and the power. So last step is to print the BMI. So I'm going with BMI. Okay, now run this code. So here is the value 21.44127. Okay, so in this way you can find BMI in Python. Hope you like this little tutorial. Make sure you can subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comments section. Thanks for watching.